A.Marie back with another snacking video, and today I make 4 months in my lock journey, y'all. I'm super excited. It came quicker than I thought it would, honestly, and I'm kind of scared to see what they look like now with me having braids in for 2 weeks. So today I'm actually going to record my full shampoo, washing, retwisting by myself for the first time. Technically, I'm not doing the retwist by myself because I just don't trust myself yet, y'all. I just can't. So I'm gonna have my little sister retwist my hair, but the washing and everything else I will be doing myself. So my plan for this wash and retwist, I'm definitely gonna shampoo my hair because it's probably absolutely dirty from all the oils and stuff and the edge control I've been putting in my hair. So definitely gonna shampoo. One thing I'm going to do different that I normally don't do in my wash and retwist routine is use rice water. I'm gonna use rice water today. I've actually made some. I put it in the fridge, let it sit for a couple days, so it should be fine by now. What I did was I boiled white rice into a bowl. I also put orange peels into the bowl as it was boiling, just so the smell can exit out like nasty. And I also put some tea tree oil in it and aloe vera juice, just so like it won't smell bad, because I know rice water just it stank. And I also put the aloe vera juice because I mean, why not? Aloe vera juice is good anyway. So I'm gonna use that. I'm going to put that in my hair after I shampoo. I'm gonna probably let it sit for like 30 minutes. Yeah, probably like 30 minutes, 25 at the least, so that way my hair can soak up all the juiciousness. And after I put the rice water in my hair, I'm gonna rinse that out, and then I'm going to be done and then just start on the retwist process so we can get it going. So I'm gonna cut these out. Yeah, I'm gonna cut these out. I'll show you guys how to do that. I'll simply like just cut from the bottom, just cause, or maybe just a little higher, but still just cut from the very bottom. Take them out. Ooh, gone. And then we gonna get started on the wash or retwist, y'all. I'm scared. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for also coming back. I know I'm almost at 800 subscribers. Shout out to all y'all. Y'all love y'all, so for real peeps. Like y'all. So definitely stay tuned for the rest of this video, and I'll see y'all later.
Take a bullet and fill my lungs. Every worry's inside me, I turn them into little clouds. So grateful to nature for this beautiful year. Feeling high, I'm feeling good, but more than knowing all along. True, but I'm doing all alone. I've been already now. Yes, I'm already now. So much light us in the sky. The government legalized. Herbs and they're good for me. I'm floating on a hill so stony. I'm glad to know I'm not alone, because Rastafari's my custodian. We represent the herbs on the podium. The indicas are short like Napoleon. Sativas don't like too much sodium. The seeds can replace your petroleum. The leaves have a skunky aroma set. THC make you feel like it's heavy. CBD is to me like a medicine. Do some research and you'll be pleased by the evidence. Perhaps we cultivate some trees in your residence and agree to disagree with the presidents. Tell the prime ministers please don't be hesitant, but let the herbs go and be free. Right? Then I require now. Yes, I require now. So many legal drugs are killing us. Illness they're giving us. Yet still they criticize the marijuana, yeah. One puff, one draw. My marijuana. Love my marijuana. I'm in it, chilling with my friends and relaxing from the corona.
I'm back and my hair is completely finished. Y'all, me and my sister did really good, like really good. I was not expecting it to turn out this well, and my locks definitely are healthier looking. That rice water really helped. I definitely saw a difference in how my hair took to the rice water and just like cleaned it out and even gave it like a little extra length. I was like, eh. Okay. But my hair looks really good so far in 4 months for my instant locks. I think they look really good. I think they look healthy. They're still thick. They're not thinning or shedding or breaking off at anywhere. I don't have any stragglers or anything like that. But definitely keep up with me and my lock journey, y'all. It's looking good so far. I'm so freaking excited. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all, and all my videos as well, especially this video and other videos on my channel. Let's get to 900 subscribers, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. So I will see y'all later, and I'm out. Bye. What? Go. Hi.